So again, the next question is 5 by 1 by root 3. Again check whether my denominator is a binomial or a monomial. It is a binomial. What is the sign in between? Sign is negative. That means by what should I multiply there? I have to multiply with your 1 plus root 3 to the numerator as well as to the denominator. Okay. So what will be my next step? It will be multiplying numerator and denominator by 1 plus root 3. So I have multiplied it here. That means will it be 5 into this bracket, and here denominator this bracket 1 minus root 3 into 1 plus root 3. Denominator of which form? A plus b into a minus b. Okay, so it will be a square minus b square. Clear? So this 5 into 1 plus root 3. So multiply this 5 inside the bracket. So I'll be getting 5 into 1, that is equal to 5, and 5 into root 3, that is equal to 5 root 3. Okay, and here I'm using your a square minus b square. So I'll be getting a is 1, so 1 square minus b is your root 3 square. Okay, so I'll be getting it as 5 plus 5 root 3 by, it was what? 1 square is 1, root 3 square is what? 3. So denominator I'll have it as 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is what? It is equal to minus 2. Okay. So this will be the last. But I should not stop it here, because have I got a denominator as a negative sign? So there should not be negative sign in the denominator when we write any number, a rational number, in its standard form. So this negative sign, I have to give it to what? I have to give it to numerator. So if I have 2 by minus 3, is it same as minus 2 by 3? Yes, you have done in 7th standard form you are writing. That means what you are doing is, denominator's negative sign, I have to just give it to numerator. It will be the same itself. Okay. So what I have done is minus of 5 plus 5 root 3 by 2. So at this step you can stop or multiply this minus sign inside. So I'll be getting it as minus 5 root 3 by 2. Either stop here or have your 2 separately. So it is minus 5 by 2 minus 5 root 3 by 2. Separately I have given that 2. Okay. So either stop it here or you can write this next step. Clear? Now, next question is to find rationalize what? It is 1 by root 3 plus root 2. Again the same. It's a binomial. So I have to multiply with what? The opposite sign. Sign here is plus. So I have to multiply with root 3 minus root 2. Okay. So I'll be getting it as, here it is 1 multiplied with root 3 minus root 2. And here denominator again root 3 minus root 2. So will I get it as 1 into this, it is same as root 3 minus root 2 divided by which form is it? It is a plus b into a minus b. So it should be a square, that is root 3 square, minus it will be root 2 square. Okay. So I'll be getting it as this step. So root 3 minus root 2, root 3 square is 3, root 2 square is 2. So I'll get the answer as root 3 minus root 2 divided by 1. If denominator is 1, no need to write. So my last answer is root 3 minus root 2. Clear? Next, on same type, yes, now you have to tell what should be the steps. What should be my next step? It's a binomial, so it should be multiplied with what? Yes, it should be multiplied with what it will be? Root 2 plus root 5. Again root 2 plus root 5. Okay. So my next step, it will be 11 into root 2 plus root 5 divided by, this is of which form again in the denominator? It will be a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. Clear? So I'll be having it as, I'll be getting it as a square minus b square using the identity. So a square is nothing but root 2 square, that is equal to 2. Root 5 square, it is equal to 5. So denominator, what will I get? 2 minus 5, that is equal to what? Minus 3. And this 11, I have to multiply it to both. Distributive property I have to use. So 11 into root 2 plus 11 into root 5. Hope it is clear. So denominator, I have what? It is minus minus 3. So denominator should not be negative. So the negative sign should be given in the what? Numerator. Okay. So this will be my next step. Next what should I have? Give that minus sign inside the bracket. So minus 11 root 2 minus 11 root 5 divided by 3. Okay, that will be my last answer. Or just you can write it as, it will be here, this will be same as minus 11 root 2 by 3 minus 11 root 5 by 3. Okay, so that will be the last answer, or you can stop it here itself. Okay, now next, rationalize it. That is what? 6 minus 4 root 3 by 6 plus 4 root 3. Same, it's a binomial, so multiply with what? Since it is plus here, I have to multiply with minus. So I'll be getting it as, multiply your numerator and denominator by 6 minus 4 root 3. Okay, so I have got it here. Now in the denominator again I have a binomial. So is it of this identity, a plus b into something? It is a plus b itself. Now here it is not plus, sorry, it is here a minus b into, again the same number, it is a minus b. Now what is a minus b into a minus b? Is it same as here a minus b bracket square? Yes, 2 into 2 is what? It is 2 square. So it is a minus b the whole square. Okay, and denominator again the same, I can have of the form a plus b into a minus b. So I have wrote 6 square minus 4 root 3 bracket square. Now make use of the identity a minus b the whole square. It is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so I'll be getting it as, it will be 6 square minus 2ab, b is 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3 bracket square. This whole should be multiplied. So I'll be getting it as, for using that identity, so I'll be having it as 6 square is 36. After multiplying, I'll get here 48 root 3 plus, this is same as what? It is same as 4 square into root 3 square. Okay, here we have written the same. So root 3 square is what? It is equal to 3. So I'll be getting at the last 36 minus 48 root 3 plus 4 square is 16 and root 3 square is 3. And denominator is 36 minus 6 into 3, 6 3s are 48. Okay. So I'll be getting the answer as 36 minus 48 root 3 plus 48 by minus 12. Again what? Denominator is negative. Give that negative to the numerator. Okay. Before that, I can add 36 and 48 since they are the like terms. So add it and you will get it as 84 minus 48 root 3 by minus 12. So minus sign I'll be giving to the numerator and I'll get the answer as it will be minus 84. Here it is minus, here also minus. So minus into minus becomes plus 48 root 3 by 12. Now either you can stop it here or what should I do is I have to do the separate division. So it will be what? Minus 84 by 12 plus 48 by 12 into root 3. Now minus 84 by 12, I can simplify it and write it as what? Minus 7 plus 4 root 3. Why? Because 12 ones are 12 and 12 sevens are 84. Similarly, 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 48. So I'll get the last answer as minus 7 plus 4 root 3. Is that clear? Same type again. I have to simplify 3 plus 2 root 5 by 3 minus 2 root 5. Yes, can you tell the steps now? What should be done? It should be multiplied by which number? I have to multiply with 3. Yes, here it is minus. So I have to multiply with plus 2 root 2. Sorry, 2 root 5. Okay. So multiply numerator and denominator by 3 plus 2 root 5. So I have got in the numerator 3 plus root 5 into 3 plus root 5 and denominator is 3 minus 2 root 5 into 3 plus 2 root 5. Okay. That mistake it should be 3 plus 2 root 5. So in the numerator I have what? A plus B into A plus B. So will I get it as A plus B bracket square? So make use of the identity here. Denominator is of the form A plus B into A minus B. So it is A square minus B square. Okay. Here it should be a plus itself. So I'll be getting it as what? 3 plus 2 root 5 the whole square by 3 square minus 2 root 5 the whole square. Is that clear? So make use of the identity and I'll be getting it as, I'll be having it as what? I'll be having it as 3 square plus 2ab. So 2 into 3 into 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5 the whole square. And denominator again 3 square is 9. 2 root 5 square is what? It will be a minus of 2 square into root 5 square. Okay. So I'll be having it as simplified and you will get at the denominator 9 minus 20. So 2 square is 4. Root 5 square is what? It is 5. So here this will be the step. Okay. This will be the step. So 9 plus 20 is a constant. So I can add it. 9 and 20 I can add. This and this I can add. So 29 plus 12 root 5 by minus 11. Okay. Now here 29 and 12 will not be added. Is that clear? Because 12 it is 12 root 5. So they are not 29 and 12 root 5 are not the same. So that minus 11 I can give it that minus sign in the numerator and at the last I will have this as the answer or do it by separate division. Okay. So that will be my last answer. Hope this is clear. Now the last question we are going to see. It is 1 plus root 7 by root 2 plus 3. Again the same. What to be done? It's a binomial. So multiply with what? I have to multiply with root 2 minus 3. Okay. So root 2 minus 3 divided by root 2 minus 3. Now in the numerator I have 1 plus root 7 into root 2 minus 3. That means this bracket is different and this also it is different. So is it of the form a plus b into c plus d? So in that case what you have done? Just multiply a to this bracket plus b to the same bracket. Yes, simplifying it. So I'll be getting it as, see, 1 multiplied with the second bracket. Okay. Second number multiplied with the second bracket. And denominator again the same, a square minus b square. Every time you will have the same itself for rationalization. Okay. So denominator I will be getting it as 2 minus 9. And here it is 1 into root 2 is root 2. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 plus root 7 into root 2. Root 7 into root 2. Either I can write it as what? I can write it as root 14 directly. And that is minus 3 into root 7. Okay. So at the last I'll be having this as the answer. Again denominator is negative. So give that negative to your numerator. And the last answer I'll be getting as minus root 2 plus 3 minus 14 plus 3 root 7. Because I have given this minus sign inside. So there will be a change in the sign. Okay. Hope the questions are clear. If it is a monomial, multiply with that same number whichever is there in that numerator, denominator, irrational number. Okay. If it is a binomial, just change the middle sign of that irrational number and then multiply your numerator and denominator. Go through it. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Okay. Homework will be uploaded according to it. Thank you.